To submit your renders using Cinema 4D, you first need to download and install the Render Vortex streamer from the Render Vortex website. Install the downloaded file, and when prompted, enter your studio name, type in administrator as your username, and enter your password. The streamer will then automatically install the required plugins. Next, open Cinema 4D. You will notice a new Vortex menu created by the plugin. Before rendering, you need to save your file and make sure that all project assets and dependencies are saved within the same project folder, and that paths to all external data are relative to your C4D file. To do this, go to File, Save with Assets, and select a location for your files. Finally, make sure to check your render and output settings within Cinema 4D. Now that you are sure that your file is ready to render, click on the new Vortex menu and select Submit. Here, we will cover the basic settings required to submit your render. Under General Render Options, you can specify a job ID, provide a description of your job, and select the render queue priority. Under Local Project Options, specify the paths to your project folder, as well as your output folder. It is important to note that your output folder must not be located within your project folder, but rather an external location on your hard drive. Next, check your start and end frames, as well as the image file name prefix that your rendered images will be saved as. To begin transferring your files, click on the Submit button at the bottom of the window. The transfer progress can be seen in the transfer queue. We recommend always submitting a single test frame first to ensure that all files have linked and uploaded correctly. To monitor your render job, open the Render Vortex Streamer software by right-clicking on the streamer icon in the system tray and selecting Job Queue. Here you will see a list of all the active jobs that you have submitted. By double-clicking on the job entry, you can see a list with detailed information for each frame of the current render job. As soon as a frame has finished rendering, it will automatically be downloaded to your specified output folder.